Imagine waking up one morning and logging into your bank account and seeing that you have zero access. Everything is frozen. No warning, no explanation, just gone. You haven't been convicted of anything, but now all of a sudden you can't buy groceries, pay rent, or even use Venmo. And this happens a lot when the federal government gets involved. I'm Diane Bass. I am a criminal defense attorney and I help people who are facing serious federal criminal charges, many of whom never expected their bank accounts to become collateral damage. Today I'm going to explain what happens to your bank account when a federal warrant is issued. If you're under investigation or you've just found out that your bank accounts have been frozen, don't wait. Reach out now. Let's talk. Here's the thing. Federal agencies have a lot of power when it comes to your finances. If you're under investigation for something like fraud, money laundering, or embezzlement, the government can ask the court for a warrant to access all your financial records. That includes checking, savings, Venmo, Zelle, anything tied to your name. They don't even have to notify you. Most people find out that their bank account's been frozen after the fact. If they believe that any of the funds in your account or your account itself has been used in criminal activity, they can freeze your account and seize the assets from your account. And most of the time, your entire account will be frozen, even if just a tiny portion of it involved criminal conduct. The scariest part is this can happen before you've even been charged with anything, never mind convicted. Just having your name involved in an investigation can trigger this. But it gets worse. Sometimes the banks will fire you, and it's really hard to get another bank to open an account for you. Your entire financial life grinds to a halt. If you've seen White Lotus, there's a scene where the character is flagged for fraud, and the consequences hit fast and hard. That's fiction, but this is based on reality. Federal government and the banks move fast when they think that money is tied to a crime. Whether or not that's true, that's what we fight to prove. So what can you do if this is happening to you? If your account has been frozen or seized, you might have the right to challenge it. You may be able to start forfeiture proceedings where you can stop the seizure of the money, but this is a very complex area of law. But you have to act fast. Time is critical in these situations. If the feds have contacted you or you've suddenly lost access to your account, this means you're under investigation. Please contact me right away. Let's talk about your options before the damage becomes permanent.